Take a ride in the 2025 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.